All right, guys, 2023 6.2 liter Chevy Silverado. Beautiful blue. You know, guys, it's my favorite color. I like it. It's a sexy truck. Only got 600 miles. He couldn't take it no more. It's way too quiet. So he ordered a kit and brought it to us. We talked to him and he took our recommendation. He's been a fan of ours for a long time, and we appreciate him coming to us. Anyways, factory converter there and there. No third converter, which is awesome. You can do true dualies. 3.5-inch BORLA S-type system. There it is. It clamps here. Then another clamp there. There's the muffler right there. Then it comes with another miniature baby muffler resonator there. Then it goes over the rear axle, wise out on each side, 2.5 there and there. There's the old system that was on it with the flex pipe, muffler, 2 resonators in the back. There's the Y pipe. That's what it looks like before. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like after. A lot sexier, a lot nicer. The part number on this system is 140773. If you want a link for it, there will be a link in the description. So there is the system right there, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, that's so much better. Rev it! Now you can actually hear it. Much better. And it's the LTZ boys and girls. Your sound decibels again. Again. Damn rev limiter. So right at 100. We'll call it an even 100, like 98, 99. Go on and back it out. An idle to it. Rev it, bro. Put it in park first. Don't run me over. It's the new guy, so bear with us, guys. We're teaching him the ways of the exhaust addicts. That damn rev limiter, that's the rev limiter. You hear that? It won't let you rev over 3,000 RPM. Put it in neutral. That's a little bit better. Again. 6.2 liter. Let us know what you guys think of the sound of the BORLA S-type. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. '23 Silverado, 22 Silverado, 6.2 liter, as you guys can see right there. Silverado LTZ, fully loaded with a BORLA S-type. We appreciate them coming in.